Initiate Sector 4 scan. The data stream indicates consistent density.
Aligning the bearing race now.
Pressure engaging, holding steady.
Torque reading is stabilizing. Looks good.
Laser alignment shows green on section 4.
Copy that. Bringing it down slowly.
Confirmed stable. Engage automated drills.
Using advanced laser metrology, the team verifies the dimensional accuracy in real time, ensuring this structural core is absolutely perfect.
All right, team, let's initiate the vacuum bagging sequence.
Copy that. Preparing the bagging material now.
Ensure a tight seal around the perimeter. Runout is stabilizing.
Trim adjustment complete. We are within limits.
Lowering sequence initiated. Rotor aligned, coming down slowly.
Clearances confirmed on Sector 3.
Verify the coupling pressure on line Gamma 6.
Reading nominal. Verified and signed off.
Sequence start. Lowering fuselage. Checking alignment at station 42.
Steady descent confirmed. Holding position.
Contact made. Alignment is green. All right, bring it left 5 millimeters.
Holding steady. Alignment looks good on this side.
Hydraulics engaged. Send the pin.
Pressure dropping on 2. Equalize the load. Bring it left slightly. Watching the lasers. Steady now.
Flitters. High above the factory floor, the massive vertical stabilizer and horizontal tailplanes are carefully maneuvered into place. Workers.
All right, easy down. Watch the starboard side connector. Coming down slowly. Mark on the rails. Locking sequence engaged. Verify green indicators.
Route the primary feed through frame 72.
Copy that. Securing the clamps now.
Make sure these looms are routed exactly as the schematic shows.
Aligning P1 through P4 now. Torque wrench ready for the main connection.
Is that section seated properly against the bulkhead?
Almost.
Hold it steady while I secure the clamp. Thermal blanket is ready on this side. All right, steady. Bringing it into alignment. Clear on this side. Locking trunnions now. Confirmed. Moving to hydraulics connections.
Applying power to the bus.
Continuity check on pins 3 through 8. Looks good. This processing unit is seated and locked in the rack.
Torquing the final antenna mount bolt now. Confirmed.
Pivot pins secured. Verify full range of motion. Range checked. Controls move freely. Ready for final connection.
Gauges are holding steady. How's the flush going on your side?
Flow rate looks good. Fluid is circulating clear.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady.
Acknowledged. Monitoring the starboard slat actuation now.
Running the final alignment sweep now.
Confirmed stabilization across all bands. Gain settings are nominal. Calibration complete.
Lifting into alignment now. Watch the starboard clearance.
Clear on this side. Guiding to the mounts.
Engaged locks, primary mounts secure.
Panel coming up now. Ready on the right side. Holding it steady. Start securing the bottom row.
Initiating scan sequence 4812. Emitters engaged.
Confirmed. Monitoring structural integrity data now.
Hold steady on the center line. Clear on the left wing, keep coming forward slowly.
Needed. The robotic sprayers apply the signature anti-flash white top coat. This thick, glossy layer transforms
The application of these markings is critical, adding the final identity and vital maintenance warnings to the aircraft.
Look at the panel alignment right here.
Yes, I see it. Logging a discrepancy for rework.
Ensure the sealant pass is checked again.
Precision is paramount. The calibrated scales transmit data instantly, allowing technicians to calculate the exact center of gravity for the Tu-160.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly reveal the new White Swan Strategic Bomber!
Systems check complete. Telemetry download shows all engine parameters are nominal. Confirmed. Pressurize the hydraulics and secure all panels.
Measurements. The primary concern remains the atmospheric turbulence at 30,000 feet. We stick strictly to the optimized flight profile.
Straps tight. Check. Oxygen connected. Starting sequence. +1 online. Mission accomplished, gentlemen. Fantastic work by the ground crew getting her ready.
Look at the yaw rate right here during the maneuver.
That's exactly where we saw the hydraulic pressure drop on the telemetry graphs. Is this position locked?
Almost. Securing the last terminal now.
Steady on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting tension now.
Alignment pins are engaged.
Motor seated, connecting ignition wires now.
Connection secure, installing safety pins. System armed.
Warning, threat detected. Engaging countermeasures. System failure on auxiliary power unit.
The aircraft is complete and ready for service.
We accept the asset on behalf of the Ministry of Defense.
All systems green on the pre-flight. How's the log?
Log is signed and clear. Aircraft is ready for delivery.
Ground control, chocks are clear. Roger, taxiing to runway 29er.
Continue straight ahead, slow speed.
Roger, slowing down. Brakes released. Chocks engaged.
Hoist the load! Steady now!
Clear to move up.
Weapon secured! Loader retracting!
Flight controls check good. How are the hydraulics looking? Hydraulics stabilizing now. System green.
Scene 100, High Altitude Strategic Patrol. The culmination of a vast industrial effort, the Tu-160 begins its strategic patrol.